Mm. Mm. Fuck this, I'm going to bed. I'm up for too damn long. The fuck is that sound? You. Beep, 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 beep. Shut the fuck up. Fuck. I only got 2 hours of sleep. No. Fuck school. Fuck them. I don't care. I don't wanna know. Fuck that. I'm gonna make the bed. Canon! What is up? That is it. My name is Jesse Lewis. And this fucking fan is too loud. Shut up. Alright. Please, if you like this, just go down below. There's a little like button. You can hit that and subscribe if you want to. If you don't like this, like, I really don't care if you dislike it, but like, your opinion's not really needed. So like it, dislike it, or subscribe. I don't even know how the fuck I used to end these